Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here to show you some of my favorite jewelry ever, and it has quickly become one of my favorite jewelry companies ever, especially whenever I'm in the mood for like fancy, like ornate, like cool jewelry like that. I have just fallen in love with this brand, and it is called Regal Rose. So this is a partial collection, partial haul type video. So I'm showing you some of the stuff that I have bought previously and also some new stuff that they sent me for this video. So it's a mixture of both. But I was definitely a customer first, so yeah, I really love the stuff they make. I want so much more. My wish list is huge, and we're gonna get right into it. So before I start, some of this is silver jewelry and some of this is gold jewelry, which I know isn't everyone's thing, but you know, I love black and gold. But here is the excellent thing about Regal Rose. Most of, if not all of their stuff comes in silver and gold. Like, you know, you'll have the option for both, which is amazing. It's definitely like most of their stuff. I'm not sure if I've come across anything yet that it doesn't have both options. But yeah, so if I show anything in this and you see it and you're like, I like that, but I don't like gold, it doesn't matter because it probably comes in silver too. If it does, I'll try to remember to put pictures in of each thing, but if I forget, forgive me and just check the website. But yes, I am oh so very happy about that. So I will do the silver stuff first, since I know that is most people's preference, and then we can move on to the lovely gold stuff that I got recently. But I think before any of that, what I will show you is this, and this is a fantastic little ring case shaped like a coffin, which makes me oh so happy. Do I have any rings here at the minute? Oh, I do. Oh, but they're not in place. Oh, I just like tossed them in here when I was in a rush. The rings that I have in this are just like random, like cheap little rings. I can't even remember where I got them now because they're so old, but it's just for the sake of displaying because I don't have a lot of Regal Rose rings yet. I mostly have earrings and such, so clearly I need to get some rings for myself. But yet look, so this is the way it works. It's just like this wonderful little coffin. You can just like slip your rings in the little slots here. It's like nice and padded. Close it up and your rings are safely stored and won't get lost, which is good for me because I lose everything. So yeah, I love this, and it's velvet. It's so nice. Lovely. Okay, so first up I have a pair of earrings that I think might have been my first Regal Rose purchase. I'd been following them online for like years before I managed to grab anything from them. And I think these earrings might have been the first one, and you might have seen me wearing these in some videos. And they're fantastic. They're these like big hoops with this fantastic like silver filigree floral gorgeousness at the bottom. I don't know how else to describe it, but it is absolutely lovely. 13-year-old me would be rolling over in her grave if she knew I was wearing hoops, but these are fancy special hoops. I have grown. So yeah, I love these, and they're great because they work well even with the whole stretched ear conundrum, like so. Yes, very good. So yeah, I absolutely love these. Next up is another little hoopy thing. These are a bit different. They're slightly smaller, and instead of sort of having that like molded filigree, they have this single gorgeous little silver like flower bud dangling at the bottom there, and I just think it's so cute and so dainty. Like the detail on the flower is absolutely beautiful. I just love this. I think it is so cute. And again, these have the same sort of like little latch as the other ones. So yeah, you just slip it in and dingly dangle. Again, I've definitely worn these in a video before. I think I was wearing them in my Pokemon Go vlog perhaps. But yeah, again, it's just such a simple, cute little thing, but it's so pretty. Next up, I actually have a pair of sunglasses. Now, I don't know if they do these anymore. Like I said, this is partially like my collection and a haul. So I'm not sure if they're still doing the sunglasses, but they need to be shown because they're so beautiful. And it is these. I freaked when I saw these for the first time. They're just so cool. So as you can see, they're like the round black sunglasses with the gorgeous silver frame with all these little flowers like sculpted onto the edges. And I just thought they were so unique and cool. I wish like sunglasses didn't sit weird on my face. I think it's because my nose is broken, so it's actually crooked. And I think sunglasses, just the way they sit, kind of highlights that, but still, they're just, I love them. They're so cool. So yeah, I absolutely adore these things. I think they're just such a cool design. I'd love to see more of this kind of thing from Regal Rose in the future, so here's hoping. Okay, now we're getting into the gold. And as I say, if you're not a gold fan, that's fine, because most of this will come in silver too. So first off, I will do my one single lonely ring that obviously needs some friends. Oh, and I love it. I was like, whenever we went to Barcelona in December, I actually had this gold stuff like sent to me while I was there, and so I wore this ring like the entire trip, and like Jake was laughing at me because he'd just catch me sitting like just like admiring my ring. It is this snazzy one. So it is this gorgeous ring here that is in fact a little poison ring. So it actually has a little compartment in there. It opens up with a little latch and then you just close it, flip up the little bit to secure it. And yeah, I just think this is so pretty. I really want the silver version of this as well for when I'm not in a gold mood, because it is just my favorite ring that I own. I love it so much. I don't even know what else I can say about it. It's just perfect. Next up is a necklace. I actually bought this quite a while ago. I can't remember when, but it was definitely a good while back. And it is this fantastic like gold lion's face with like these rings hanging out. It reminds me of like a big old door knocker or something. And I just think it's really cool, really ornate and fancy and regal, which matches the brand, of course. And yeah, I fell in love with this, had to have it. And again, it's beautiful. It has treated me very well so far. Next up is another purchase. It is a pair of earrings again. A lot of this is earrings. They just do so many nice ones. And it is these. So it is these gorgeous little snake earrings. They are attached with this little hoop. Again, makes it very easy for me with stretched ears to wear. And yeah, like they're obviously like alternating, so they're pointing in different directions, so they hang nicely. And I just think these are so cute. They're a little smaller, but they're still really interesting. So these are perfect. I really wish I didn't have to keep getting up and down, but I can like barely reach the camera, so that's annoying. Okay, let me see. I will start grabbing things out of their little bags here, because I've kept the bags for some things and I've lost the bags for other things because I'm not sensible. So this is one of two lovely little chokers that I have. So it is a little gold chain, and then right in the middle it has this wonderful little denty bit, which looks like this. So as you can see, it's like a lovely sort of floral thing. It's just this lovely little bit that sits right in the middle of your throat with this lovely little sort of black gem dangling down, which is just so pretty. The absolute only issue I've had with this and the other choker that I'm going to show is that I find this chain really short. I don't know if I've just lived my whole life not knowing that I have a really fat neck or what, but I can just about get this to clasp around. Like, it almost does not fit. I almost thought it wouldn't fit, but Jake was able to get it on for me. So that's the only unfortunate thing. I would love if Regal Rose for their chokers would maybe add just like a couple more chain links onto here, because that is literally the only problem with this. Other than that, it is beautiful, it is so cute, it is so nice, but I was like, wow, I guess I have a fat neck because this is not going on. So yeah, I definitely think the chain on these could do with being just a wee bit longer. But yeah, very pretty. Next up is this lovely pair of earrings once again. Who's surprised? Not me. And it's sort of similar to the lion in the sense that it reminds me of an old door knocker, but instead of a lion this time, it is this fantastic sort of gargoyle design. And these are just so cool. I really love them. They have the same sort of attachment as the snake ones, where it's like a little hook. And yeah, these are just super pretty. Again, like if you kind of look through my Instagram pictures from like just a little while ago, back in December, you will see me wearing a lot of this jewelry. And yeah, I loved these. The only thing I had was one of them is a little bit stiff when it snaps closed, so I got it stuck in my ear. Like I could not get it to like unlatch with that small amount of space, but I did get it eventually. But it just means sort of opening and closing it a few times more, so it's not as stiff, I think. But yeah, other than that, these are absolutely gorgeous. They fit nicely if you have stretched ears, which is really nice because that's always a struggle. So yeah, love these. Next up is the other choker that I mentioned, and this one again is the simple little chain, but this time instead of the little floral bit we have these lovely snakes. So this matches those earrings I showed you really well, and it's these lovely snakes meeting in the middle with a lovely little crystal point hanging down. And I just think that again, it's just, there's something so ornate and pretty and like, I don't know what it is, it's just so nice. So yeah, I love this, but again, the chain is very short. That is the only issue I've had. Other than that, absolutely perfect. And again, that just sits like right on your throat, so it is really nice. Okay, I think from here it is all earrings, I'm fairly certain. So let's see what the next ones are. Aha! So next up we have more snakes. Clearly love my snakes, but these ones are much more of a statement piece. Here we go. So yeah, these are gorgeous. They're obviously a very big pair. I absolutely love these. They're just so like, I can't find the word. There's like a word that wants to come into my brain and it's not for a lot of this. but they're absolutely gorgeous. These, if you don't have stretched ears, you'll have absolutely no problem with. Me having stretched ears, it was a bit of a struggle to get these in. I know how I can fix that myself, but it's just like to be aware of, because the hoop that goes through your ear actually isn't attached at all. It's literally just hooped through the thing. That's just the design of it. So that means there's not as much space, if you can see, to get that through, like, you know, your tunnels or whatever you're wearing. If I wore these just without my tunnels in, like just bare eared, they went in okay, but you know, then it sort of stretches down, which I don't love. So what I'm going to do is just add an extra little hoop in so that that, you know, doesn't have so much stuff taking up space there. But yeah, that's only if you have stretched ears. If you don't, then is totally fine. And yeah, these are just like a fantastic statement piece. And finally, speaking of statement pieces, these ones are actually stud earrings, but I love them so much that I was like, you know what? I'll get them and I'll figure it out. And I think I've mostly figured it out. It is these. So these are obviously absolutely massive, but I love them. Like serious mermaid vibes. As soon as I saw them, I was obsessed. And as I say, they are studs, so I've kind of been struggling trying to think of ways that I can make this work. And I've got a solution that at the very least will be a temporary one. I'd like to find something better long term, because although this does feel secure enough, I'm still just, I feel like wearing them out for a day I would be wary. But what I did was I got some silicone, like just some silicone plugs, and literally just stabbed the stud earring into that because they're soft enough. And yeah, it seems to stay in okay, but it does sort of pull down a bit, so it looks a little bit strange, but it's good enough for now, and I'm hoping, I've got some other ideas to play around with, so I just need to try that. But for the meantime, I do have a way to wear them now. I'll try to pop one of these in a second. It's just with the plugs I'm wearing at the minute, I don't know if maybe my ear has shrunk a little bit, but we'll see. But yeah, these are just so cool, and I was like, I need this level of extra in my life. I think the silver version of these is actually available in clip-on. Last I checked anyway, unless it was a different pair. I could be lying, so just don't totally take my word for it. But these ones definitely weren't, unfortunately, so. Because I don't know if clip-on would have been better or worse. Let me see. So yeah, you can see like I can wear it. I'm just not sure like how, like it feels secure enough. It doesn't seem like it's gonna slip out or anything. Although it does just sort of tug this, I don't know if you can see from there, but it does just kind of, you know, like obviously sag forward a little bit. But I definitely did have some other ideas of how I could potentially do this. I'll have to remember what they were. It'll just take some experimenting, but at least I do have a way to wear them for now. I definitely want to do like a whole like golden gothy beachy look with these bad boys because they are amazing. But yeah, so that has been my little workaround for these. Looks kind of strange with just one in, but I do have the other ones here. It's just that like I can't bother wrestling them both in. But yeah, over the top perhaps, but what else do we expect from me really? So yes, that is my Regal Rose haul slash collection video. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you would like more of this in the future, because I know we have a lot of clothing hauls and stuff on here, but not as much for accessories. And this is definitely one of my favorite brands, especially for more sort of like elegant grown-up gothy pieces, if you get what I mean. Like, you know, because I love, you know, me some like spike collars and stuff, but whenever it comes to like elegant ornate pieces, Regal Rose has to be my absolute favorite. So yeah, I was happy I could share this with you. I was happy they wanted to work with me on this video. That was very exciting. And yeah. So as I mentioned, some of the pieces in this video I bought myself, some of the pieces in this video were sent to me. Either way, all opinions remain my own. I told you about any potential issues that there were. So yes, as I say, leave a comment, let me know what you thought, let me know if you want more of this. If you did enjoy the video, give it a wee thumbs up. I always like to see that. It's a cool little way to interact if you can't be bothered leaving a comment. If you're new here and you enjoyed this, do consider subscribing. There is a bunch of other content that you can check out. And finally, before you go, if you could check out my Patreon, I would appreciate that oh so very much. The link is down in the description. If you want to help support this channel and make the videos keep on coming, then that is the best possible way. So again, link in the description, check it out, have a wee look over it, see what you think, and I will see you in my next video. Bye lovelies!